Half the guys on the team, I don't even know who the hell they are.
Yep.
And I got a roster. They get the giant insider, I get the roster.
Bad news fast.
It changes like they change underwear, for Christ's sake.
You get the bad news fast. You don't know who they are, but they're winning.
Look at this.
Yeah, they're lucky, in my opinion, they're lucky if they win another game.
Yeah.
They got to play the Eagles, the Cowboys, they play the Eagles, they play
They'll
Washington.
lose both to the Eagles. They'll split with Washington.
First time meeting this guy.
Yeah.
This Pokemon has a
They'll still split with them.
well.
I think they got the Vikings or Vikings.
This one must be exclusive to Pokemon Scarlet and Violet.
40 to
Tonight we're gonna draw Chien-Pao.
It is. Did they play that bad, or did the Cowboys play that good?
I think they played that bad.
Holy shit.
One of the newest
Now you watch.
additions
Giants
to
come on, Giants got the ball.
the new game.
I'll give you 10 to 1 odds. First play into the line. Sure. No game. The second play into the line.
It's a wasted
What
play.
the hell?
It's a wasted play.
Nice.
Because every fucking team in the league knows it's coming.
That's of course. The whole world knows what the guy's gonna do. Now they put in the hole, and then he runs the second down, same shit. I'm sitting here I'm screaming at the TV. Man, you don't be fast, don't run the ball. He runs the ball.
Based on his body design, Chien-Pao is probably an Ice-type Pokemon. I don't really know how tall he is. Probably as... He's probably as... Shoot! Again. He's probably as long as my arm. Maybe I just scroll up. There, that's more like it.
That'd be funny if Detroit ended up going to the Super Bowl this year.
Detroit won the Super Bowl.
uh, what's his name from the Lions that they sent to the Rams? Goes to the Super Bowl. He's playing if he went this year. Hey, Dad. The year that the
Alright, we're back in action. Let's see how this is going to pan out. Here's the lightning bolt. There we are. And there we are. That's how you draw the legendary Pokemon Chien-Pao. Well, I believe this one is in legendary Pokemon. I mean, you can tell by its name. Well, we'll find out soon. Right now, let's see what kind of other Pokemon we can draw. Good night.